and foremost how important it is to have AI tools that are safe, transparent, and trustworthy. How much all these changes that AI possibly has on industry and society is not just about introducing a new tool and applying that, but it's really about change management, about getting the organization and the individuals involved in that change. And it's not just a tool that you can apply and it's solved. I mean, the first technical one, we have an initiative at the Swiss National AI Institute level, an organization that focuses with one initiative as well to develop trustworthy AI, large language models that are more safe, more transparent, as well geared towards certain verticals from think of education, think of climate, think of vision robotics and so on. So you need the infrastructure, but you also need the right people. That's on the tool side. If you think of how do you implement these in organization, that's the very tricky part, because at the end, you need to kind of find a combination from top down and bottom up, which means the individuals that need to come up with potential use cases, that need to think of how can they apply possible Gen AI or AI solutions. You need to enable them, and you need them to be in, but you need top down from the management and the board side as well, a clear mandate, so to say as well, that they can do something. It's always a tricky balance to find, because on one hand, I think you have to be open enough to allow new ideas that might, A, they might fail, but B, not everything might be safe in the first place. So I think one way you can approach this is think of sandboxes, kind of clearly defined spaces within an organization, or can be as well in a larger context, that allows for kind of trying out and applying certain use cases, build a proof of concept, test something out in a more safe environment before you roll it out. Find with that kind of a balance between allowing for that innovation to happen, but also do it in a safe environment before you fully roll it out. Yeah, there's so many ways how AI, the technology, can affect the livelihood in a positive way as well of people. There is a societal aspect, a democratization in some sort as well of languages. Think not only on speaking a specific languages in a traditional sense, but also programming language, or speaking in pictures, creating pictures. So kind of the entire ability to create things, whether it's from projects to pictures. There is so many different ways how you can be included and contribute, otherwise would not have been possible. And that means it's on society level. That also means for an economy, there's many, many new opportunities that can be capitalized on, that can be built upon, and hence really can have a positive impact on society and economies at large.